Hey everyone, happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good day so far. So I have a Buick LaCrosse with a 3.6 liter. This bad boy right here. 3.6 liter. GM's version of a Ford 5.4 is what I'm going to call it, because it is a terrible motor, just like a 5.4. Nothing but problems ever with these motors. You got to maintain the daylights out of these things, and even then, they're still not good. Very few of these do I see ever hit 150,000 miles without major issues. So what I'm doing on this one is I'm actually just doing a water pump, which is probably the first water pump failure I've seen on one of these. Usually these things have head problems, valve problems, camshaft problems, timing chain problems, you name it, it's got a problem with it. They blow up or throw rod bearings or spin rod bearings and throw rods and you name it. They do it all. I can't stand this motor. I think it's junk. But anyway, so let me just show you real. So I already took the motor mount out. There's a big motor mount that sits here. I took the belt off because it's saturated. I'm going to have to replace it. But this is the water pump. Yeah, a little shot. So it was growling and whatnot. I'm not going to go into specifics on how to change it. It's really simple though. I mean, it's really just 4 bolts for the pulley, and there's a couple of bolts that hold the pump to the actual timing chain housing. And it actually looks, if you look close, see that silicone? That's not original silicone. So I'd be willing to bet that somebody's already had this thing apart, probably to do timing chains. I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, it's got 100,000 miles on it. So it's probably already had at least one set of timing chains. Or tensioners or guides or something, because they fail constantly on these things. But anyway, that's about it. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll try to make more videos. So have a great day. Keep wrenching.